So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on your laptop. So let's get started. First, just open up Microsoft Edge on your laptop. Now in the search bar, simply type Microsoft Store and hit enter. Once it opens, scroll down and you'll notice under top free apps, there's something like Microsoft S2. Go ahead and click on it. Now, on the top right corner, you'll see a search icon. Click that and type Office, then hit search. Next, click on Shop from the options. Then go to Apps and click Show All to expand the full list. Here you'll see most of them are paid versions, but there is one free option available, and click to open that. If it doesn't open properly, just go back and open it again. It should work fine. Now you'll see a button that says Get In-Store App. Click on that. It might take a moment to load. Since I've already installed and signed in, it shows me open, but if you're doing this for the first time, you'll just need to sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click open. Now you'll see the web version of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Everything is here and ready to use. You can easily create documents, save them, and even download or share them as needed. Here's your blank document, some templates, and everything works smoothly. This is how you can easily use Microsoft Office for free. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.